Was editing episode 2. The file's corrupted because I accidentally left the tab, and then I didn't have the files in my file explorer anymore. So, and it asked to reload those files off the file explorer, and I didn't have them. So, we don't have an episode 2 anymore. But so this will basically be our episode 2. But in episode 2, for like really what happened, as you saw, we built the house and everything. Yeah. That's what basically happens. So. Yo, what's going on, guys? Big Mega Modeling here, and today for you guys, I'm bringing you episode 3, season 3 of Minecraft Tornado Survival. So this episode, we're gonna go mining, and last episode, I said that there was probably gonna be a storm, which hopefully there is, because I love these storms coming through. But I hope it doesn't hit our house. I hope it just passes right by it. It doesn't hit it. But if there's a tornado, that would be amazing. There's something cooking in here. I don't know what I have. Oh, brick. Bet. Okay. More brick. And do this. And we're gonna make it 3 high. We'll make it that long. Oh, we'll do one more. That should be good. And then we'll just break out the outline of this. We're not gonna fully make it though. But we'll just do this. That should be good. And I hear wind. I hope it's not a tornado. I mean, we would hear thunder too, so it's not gonna be a tornado. We'll also get that coal just because we're like on a shortage of coal. So yeah. But first we should probably check up outside, see what's happening. See if there's something brewing. Alright, let's go. We also need to get some torches down here too anyways, so. Nothing is really happening. Let's check what's over this hill. That is a scary noise. I don't like that noise. Yeah, nothing's happening. Okay. I planted these apple trees, as you see, last episode. And we're getting a whole bunch of apples now. Let's grab all these apples. For some food. There we go. Oh! No. Okay, we need another, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then we need 2. Do that. That. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I saw wind come through our house. Hold on. Oh. Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh, that is a big tornado. Get back quick. See blocks in the air. Oh! Skeleton. Go, 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 go. Holy crap. Wow. That is big. Okay, let's go. It's starting to pick up some blocks. Oh, that's all right. Oh, that is loud. Hold on a second. Hold on. I don't want to allow cheats. No cheating. Let's turn the music off. Where did that not? Where did it go? Is that a cyclone? Oh, that might have been a cyclone. That's probably why I didn't pick up any of these blocks. Let's break down. We'll see. We'll do that. There we go. Nope. Oh, we'll come back to that later. You see, that's like... Oh, I know where it is. I know exactly where it is. Let's place some torches in here then. Nope. There we go. And place that back down. Look at all that wind. Okay. Now, what we will do is pick up all these apples again. That's good enough, actually. And store them in here. Put all this other stuff in there. Okay. We are gonna make another shovel. So we're gonna go out and grab more clay. So, yeah. We'll get back with you guys once we get enough clay. Just once we get some clay. That's it. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. We'll grab this last bit of clay over here. And that should be it. It should be good. There we go. Then we'll grab this. And we'll plant some more. That'll be good. Then we can turn it, or not turn it, leave that in there. And then we can store that stuff in there. And then we can go to bed and try to find ourselves a cave. And once we find that cave, we'll go caving. But we need to find that cave first in order to go caving. Okay, there we go. We'll bring this with us. Ooh, even more. Might have just found ourselves a cave. What is that? Oh, that was dirt? Oh. Well, we'll keep that mushroom. We should probably bring torches with us. Ooh, coal. Alright guys, I'll put you guys on a time lapse of me mining this stuff until I find something good, like redstone or something. So I'll be back with you guys once I find that. Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. While off camera a little bit, I dug this hole down. I got off for a little bit, so we'll just get back into it. There we go. Now hopefully, what the? Dumb zombie, just hiding behind there. Can we go to bed now? Yes. Okay. And I wanted to wait a little bit. Hold on. 3. We're gonna make ourselves a stone pickaxe as well. And then we'll take these with us. That should be good. Let's head down here. Do we have sticks? Yes, we do. Oh, I forgot there was coal down here too, or iron, not coal. I wanted to wait for you guys to mine it, so. Let's take some cobble. Except for that, I didn't take any with us, so. Oh, come on. There. We'll cover that off. I found this little place too, but you know. I also got to mine this because I didn't have a iron pick, so. Alright, we're down here now. I don't remember which way we were going from last time. I think it was here. No, I'm pretty sure it was down here. Let's check. doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Because I hear a whole bunch of zombies. Just don't know where. Is it over here? Oh, what? Oh. Bet. Okay. Oh no. Boom. Ooh, there's a lot of iron down here, and I hear a lot of lava, so. Let's get a lot of iron so we can, like, have a couple stacks. Not a couple, well, at least one stack. How in the heck did that fall? I guess like when the world spawned up or something, I don't know. Oh, we'll go check that out later. That doesn't seem like anything too special. I'm trying to find like lava. Oh! What in the... Ooh. And no, I did not see this. I was not paying attention. At all. Like... Wait a minute. Okay. Ooh, that's a big iron vein. Let's mine around it. See how much we got. Ooh, gold. Ooh, and a lot of gold. Okay. So this seems like it's a 4. No, it's a 5. There we go. Got her picture. Ooh. We cannot die with these on us. Alright, let's place a torch around this area so no mobs spawn. But there's a lot of more coal over here once you light this place up. Or iron, I meant, not coal. Which we're still gonna take, because we need it. And I'm pretty sure 27 pieces of iron makes a whole thing of armor. So, yeah. And we also need to make those weather things, like an anemometer if we want to make that. Because that does take a lot of iron. Did we go over there? Oh, no, we did. Guys, how? How do we get this much diamonds in this cave? I'm gonna cover this place up. Hold on. Oh, poop. Okay. First, let's grab this. Then we'll use this. Ooh. Seems like a good amount of diamonds. I think I just saw more iron, did I? Yeah, I did. Okay. Alright, there we go. Oh, poop. Okay, we'll use this now. Uh-oh. Okay, I thought I was about to die there. I thought I fell in lava. Alright. So you got more diamonds. Let's take another picture. And, well, I'm gonna put you... Now that I got these diamonds, I don't know if there's gonna be any more. I hope there is. If there is, I'll stop the time lapse. But if there is not, I'll keep the time lapse playing of me grabbing iron and coal and stuff. Yeah, enjoy. Alright, guys. There is more diamonds. This is like insane. Like, I don't know like what's making us get this much diamonds, but like there is a lot of diamonds here. Oh, that scared me. Oh no. I thought that was diamonds for a second. I was about to be like, oh my god. Okay. I'll take some diorite. I see more redstone that we'll grab. But I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse again. See you guys once we find more diamonds. If we do. Alright guys, oh my god, we just found more. Okay, good. We're fine. Oh my god, dude, this water is annoying. Oh shoot. Good. Alright. Nope, don't want to go up there. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. There we go. There's an Enderman. Okay. Let's grab more of this. Okay. There we go. We're good. Oh my god, dude. Good. Oh my... Dude, these zombies. that there. We'll do that. Close that off. Alright, we'll put that in there. And, I think, should we? Nah, I'm not gonna waste it. Let's see what diamond. +2 +8 +6. What burning? Oh. Alright, we'll put it there. And make ourselves a sword. And let's make ourselves another pickaxe. Swap those around. That can be put there. And then we'll sit here and wait. Alright guys, we can now make what we need to make. That, and this. I believe so. There we go. Then we can make. Oh, we don't need that actually. Wait a minute, but what we can make is this. Let's see if I remembered how to make it. I believe it's 1 there, 4 here, 2 there. Yeah. Then you need a compass. Okay. There. We need 2 more of those, and let's make ourselves another furnace. Oh my god. There. Then we'll do that. Split. There. Now, we'll wait. Alrighty, I'm back. We should be able to finish this now. There. Then I believe it goes like that, and that. Hold on. Maybe like this. No. Hold on. Like that, and then this. Oh, wait a minute. I think I know how it goes. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Any storms at the moment? Doesn't seem like it. Let's pick this up. We'll grab some more iron. Oh my god, there's more diamonds. Okay. There we go. No! Why is it not? There we go. Alright, there we go. There's that much water? Holy crap. Okay. Let's grab this redstone. I'll grab this redstone too. And this coal. Alright. Now we should be able to head back. If I know where that is. I'll grab this coal because we need some. Alright, here we go. Huh. I don't know we go down here. Forgot. Hold on. Yep. And over here, ooh, iron. There we go. There's more iron, but I'm not gonna grab it because I don't want to risk dying. Oh. Okay. We're all fine now. For now, I'm not. Didn't I just go up here? I do not remember my way out of here. Well, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse of me trying to find my way out of here, and if I do, then I do. Alright, there we go. Found my way out, actually. Let's get up out of here now. I hope our house is not destroyed. I hope. But we'll see. First thing is... oh, no. Okay, that's good. Our house is fine. Alright, let's go to bed. Put all this back in here. Alright. Now, we'll get our, this, and watch it. Because, you know, why not? Uh-oh. It's not zero. Well, that is moving here quick. Let's go. Who just passed this being an F1 or F0 on it? Under here. Oh wow. All of that is right there. Our house is fine. I mean, it was like an F0 right here, and it went straight over there. So, that was pretty amazing. Oh, wow, that tornado goes over there. This is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to stay tuned every time I make a video. And see you guys next time. Peace out.